Welcome to the Introduction to Microsoft Word Getting Started, Part 1 of 9 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Video Index, Links to Microsoft, Application Window, Blank Document, Options, Save Auto Recovery, Proofing, Ribbon, Customize Quick Access Toolbar, Tooltips, Help. In order to work along with the tutorial, it may be necessary for you to have two open windows side by side. It does not matter if one window is a website and the other is an application or program. The steps of maximizing or restoring down a window is the same for both. We will be using the website YouTube and Notepad as examples. The opening slides will suggest different methods. Please see slides 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 before continuing with the tutorial. In the upper right corner, there is a Maximize Restore Down button. Restore Down reduces the window to half its size, as you see below. When the window is maximized, it fills the entire screen, and the Maximize Restore Down button changes to double squares. You can adjust the width and the height by hovering the cursor on the right, left, top, or bottom edge of the window. The cursor will change from a normal arrow to an arrow with points at each end. You can then resize the window. Arrows are shown in red for better visibility. Arrows will be white on the screen. You can move the window to a new location on the screen by placing the cursor near the top, blue arrow, and holding down the left mouse button. Then drag it to the new location and release the mouse button. If you do not have Microsoft Windows on your computer and you are using Windows operating system, you can use Notepad to open two windows side by side. Click on the Windows icon in the lower left corner. Scroll down to Windows Accessories and click. A drop-down menu will open. Click on Notepad. Notepad size can be adjusted just like Word using the same steps. You can also save, open, print, copy, paste, and more using Notepad. After adjusting the first window, open the second window and repeat the steps. As you can see, the second window overlapped the first. Place your cursor near the top of the second window. Cursor should be a white arrow. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the second window off of the first window. The two windows will be side by side, allowing you to follow the instructions in the video. However, using this method will require you at times to use the right side and bottom scroll sliders. A second method is to use the Minimize button, which will drop a window down to the taskbar. Click on it to open it up. Using this method does require you to switch back and forth between the two windows. Just pause the video, minimize the window, and open up the other window. The last suggestion is to take your laptop or smartphone to a library and use one of the library computers. Open the tutorial on a computer or smartphone and use the other to follow along with the tutorial. In this video, we will be working on getting started with Microsoft Word. Your Microsoft Word icon may look different depending on which version of Word that you have. Please click on your Microsoft Word icon. If you do not have a subscription to Microsoft Office, please go to the website listed below, www.microsoft.com. For the free online version of Microsoft Office, please go to the website listed below, www.microsoft.com/en-us/free-office-free-office-the-web. Word opens to the application window each time you start Word. It will display this page. You can select a blank document, template, or open an existing document. Please click the blank document. Blank document will open. When you use Word for the first time, there are a few features that need to be enabled. Upper left corner, left-click File. Click Options at the bottom of the list. Options allow you to select the features you want to use. Click Save option. Think about how fast you type and how much you would lose if there was a power failure. Set the Save Auto Recovery information to 4 minutes using the arrows. Click OK. Word will automatically return to the blank document once you click OK. Click File again. Click Options again. Select Proofing. Check mark the following. Check spelling as you type. Mark grammar errors. Frequently confused words. Check grammar with spelling. Click OK. Again, Word will automatically return to the blank document once you click OK. Tabs are surrounded by the yellow rectangle. By default, Word will open on the Home tab. Other toolbar commands are Save, Undo, Redo, Add to Toolbar, Name of Document, Ribbon Display Options, Minimize, Maximize, Close. Underlined words are called groups. On the toolbar of the ribbon, you will find the small downward arrow. It allows you to add more buttons to the toolbar for easy access. We're going to add the Speak button to our toolbar. Click on the arrow and a list drops down. Click on More Commands. Click Quick Access Toolbar. Change popular commands by clicking on the arrows to All Commands. Make sure this box reads For All Documents, default. It should look like this. Go to Quick Access Toolbar, scroll down to Speak and click on Speak to highlight it, then click Add. Speak button will then be added to your toolbar. Click OK. The selected text command is now on the toolbar. It's grayed out because no text has been selected. Type a short sentence, then highlight the sentence. Click the selected command and you will hear the sentence read out loud. This feature is great if you're sending a Word document to someone else who may be visually impaired and also has Microsoft Word. By using this feature, the document would be read to them. It may also come in handy if you have a speech to give and are unsure if you like the wording of a particular sentence or question. If you hover the mouse over a command, a tooltip will appear telling you what the command does. Each time a tooltip appears on a slide, I have identified it as a tooltip. You do not have to memorize all the commands and what they do. Word gives you a tooltip, so you don't have to. In the upper right-hand corner, there's a question mark. This is Word's Help button. Clicking on the question mark opens Word's Help box. This concludes the introduction to Microsoft Word Getting Started, Part 1 of 9 parts. Thank you for joining us for Part 1. We hope you enjoyed it and will be joining us for the remaining Parts 2 through 9 of Microsoft Word. If you have any questions, please contact me at gterry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this video, please contact me at gterry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.